Hi everyone, Steve Bray here from SP Services. A few of you have messaged me today asking me to explain what exactly is in our Bastion infection control and PPE kit. So, first couple of items here. Each kit comes with 4 coveralls. These are type 5 and 6, and each pack comes with 2 large and 2 extra large. I'm going to get our website updated and we'll make it very clear exactly what EN standards they comply with. You also get 2 pairs of overshoes, 2 pairs of oversleeves. Some of you may not have seen these before, but they simply just go over your arm, put your gloves on, and then you've got an extra layer of protection. We know these are also in very short supply, but each kit comes with 2 long-sleeved aprons. And then just in case you get involved in any bodily fluids, you get 2 bottles of gelling powder. Simply pour that over the bodily fluid spill. Use the 2 scrapers that come with each kit and 2 clinical waste bags to dispose of it. I'll get our website updated. We'll put those EN standards on there now. The product code is DP555 and we've got plenty in stock right now. Thank you.